got 3016 departing Great Victoria Street. So we're here on the last day before the station closes permanently, and there goes the 3016. Alright, that's it for now. Okay, here we're getting our train coming in now. Yep, I'm not sure what number it is, I can't quite see from here. It is 3023.
Translink NI railway service to Bangor. This train calls at City Hospital, Botanic, Belfast Lanyon Place, Titanic Quarter, Sydenham, Hollywood, Marino, Cultraw, Seahill, Helens Bay, Carnalee, Bangor West and Bangor. In the interests of passenger safety, your attention is drawn to the following safety information. Passenger alarm units are located at each door. They should only be used in the event of an emergency. Please read the instructions alongside each of these devices. In the event of an emergency, please follow staff instructions.
Yep, that's the announcement.
On your last train ride?
Yep, on your GVS. Okay, we're heading off now. Are you Great Victoria Street one last time? Here we go.
I'm pretty sure, yeah. I think that put on it. I don't know either.
Look, I see the bus depot over here. Yeah, you can. See the bridge and stuff where the buses go up from.
This is a passenger announcement. We wish to remind all customers that as we seek to modernise the rail infrastructure, Great Victoria Street Station will close permanently after the last service today, Friday 10th of May. A new temporary rail timetable will come into operation as we continue our development of the new Belfast Grand Central Station, which will open in early autumn. For further travel information and timetable changes, please check the Translink website. Thank you.
Oh, that was good.
I got that on video too. There's another train, the other side. Oh, this is quite bumpy.
The next stop is City Hospital.
So now we're approaching City Hospital. I remember.
It was all over my side when I I remember that.
I'll pause this until we leave again. Okay, we're now about to depart Botanic, heading to, or no, sorry, City Hospital, heading to Botanic. I don't know why, but for some reason I do keep getting these two stations confused with each other. This is quite a bumpy train.
The next stop is Botanic. Please alight here for Queen's University. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when leaving the train.
We're at Botanic.
This train is for Bangor. The next station is Belfast Lanyon Place.
Yep, we're leaving. I realised what I was doing why the videos kept stopping was because I pressed the wrong button.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. They really are, yeah. Still trying to figure out this camera. Yeah. And we're heading to Lanyon Place next. Belfast Central. Yep.
We used to go there a lot.
A few months ago we filmed the lifts here. The final, I think it was the final day there were Aruna lifts before the modernisation of
Yeah.
TKE.
Or as we used to call them ace lifts.
Yep. Might be able to see a lift here in this video when we're stopping. What? Oh yeah.
The next stop is Belfast Lanyon Place.
Oh, the Enterprise, I missed
Here
it.
For cross-border Portadown, Larne, Derry, London Derry line rail connections and bus connections to the city centre. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when leaving the train.
Okay, we're now heading towards Central. Yeah. Here we are. Central.
Yep. Kind of weird arriving in here, isn't it? And then we went away, but not being at the station.
Oh yeah. We've done it lots of times before. Oh yeah.
You're passing through here instead of actually being here, that's what I was meant to say.
Welcome aboard TransLink NI railway service to Bangor. This train calls at Titanic Quarter, Sydenham, Hollywood, Marino, Cotraw, Seahill, Helens Bay, Carnalee, Bangor West and Bangor.
Didn't do the safety announcement this time. Pauses until we...
No, it's fine.
Okay, now we're leaving Lanyon Place. Might be able to see one of the lifts here when we're going. Yep, there's a lift there. The new TKE. Oh, it's out of order too.
Oh, interesting.
Wonder what's happened with that.
You're the horn there as well.
Yeah. And our next stop is Titanic Quarter.
The next stop is Titanic Quarter. Please alight here for the SSE Arena and Titanic Belfast.
Is it?
What's happening? Oh. Probably.
Oh my goodness.
This train is for Bangor.
Don't worry, I'm not filming you.
The next station is Sydenham.
I'm just getting the screen for the announcements. Go on. Sydenham's the next stop. What? Oh yeah. Oh, I can see it for the camera too.
Getting right now. What is it?
The next stop is Sydenham. Please alight here for George Best, Belfast City Airport. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when leaving the train.
Looks like there's a cruise ship in today. You can't really see it much. The camera isn't really picking it up.
Supposed to say we'll drive by later, but it's not a car.
Yeah. I made it to Sydenham.
This train is for Bangor. The next station is Hollywood.
Okay, we're now about to depart for Hollywood.
I reckon that's probably.
Yep. Sort of fade a little bit for the camera too.
See the thumbs out, 170 just in there as well. Good spotting from the train.
Yep. See a bit of IKEA sign there. I think we're heading past Hollywood Exchange. Yep, there's the IKEA store there. Behind those trees is the retail park, Hollywood Exchange Retail Park. We've done the, actually we haven't filmed the lift there, but we did ride it a few days ago. It was pretty bumpy.
Oh, you're the one next?
Yep.
We did film that a while ago, it's on our channel if you want to check it out.
Yeah.
Just small lawns the grass and the bikes over 12 inches.
Oh, I missed it. Too fast. It was another train. It's one big problem about these trains.
The next stop is Hollywood. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when leaving the train.
For the last 2 years, my original home where I was born has been not been developed by 2 young lawyers. Originally from Hollywood, spent 20 years in London. That's so much money, but
Made it to Hollywood.
Hollywood's still Hollywood.
This train is for Bangor. The next station is Marina.
Forgot about the Marina station.
Oh yeah?
I thought it was called Next.
Sorry, David Hayes. David and his wife at the shop. New York or something. What's it called? Not Tucker.
This is the part I like.
Oh yeah, look at the view from that.
I wish this camera can zoom a bit further, but I zoom out. I'm not sure why, but this view is absolutely amazing though. Yeah.
We're about to head to the Marino station, but look at this view.
This is one of my favourite parts of the Bangor line, is this view.
This looks amazing. And there's the other side too, there's Hollywood.
What a beautiful view this is.
Number 19. The old Hollywood. Do you know, funny you should say that. You're right. I think the move near Stockbridge Road. And there's somewhere David. You're right, Isaac. Because, yeah, really does.
The next stop is marina. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when leaving the train.
Near the marina.
Oh, my camera just stopped. I accidentally activated my Google Assistant, so.
This train is for Bangor. The next station is Control.
Coltraz next. Pause until we go again.
The next stop is Control. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when leaving the train. This train is for Bangor. The next station is Sea Hill.
That's okay.
So there's no way going into Belfast International Airport. I'm going to work on it. It's gone.
I'm okay. starting to slow down now, heading into Hill.
The next stop is Hill. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when leaving the train.
Snail?
Pretty really hot in this train.
This train is for Bangor. The next station is Helens Bay.
I think we're about to go now, so I won't pause the video. Doors are closing. Yep, we're going.
So what?
It could be because it's hot outside as well today. Is it? It's weird. Hmm. What's there? It is.
You get her on tiger already. Swear her into the water. I said you get her on tiger already. Swear her into the water. Splash her out. You mean you're on tiger?
Oh, here we go. I better leave this shit out where it is here.
I've only been recording here for like 25 minutes now. If we have time before going back to Great Victoria Street, I might try and film the lift in Bangor. Yeah.
Ooh.
The next stop is
Hello?
Helens Bay.
I keep missing it. It keeps going too fast.
This train is for Bangor. The next station is Carnally.
Hmm? Yep. It's a bit more quiet in here now since people have left. I think because of the weather, the Helens Bay beach is pretty busy today. actually hear the fans blowing out as well. It almost sounds like they do have the heating on here. I'm okay. Oh, another good view.
Any tickets, folks? Okay.
Trying to grab my phone, I realize it's here.
3 seconds. Adam?
The next
Oh, yeah.
stop is Carnaby. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when leaving the train.
Alright, cheers, like all. I'm going to change position to
You could get a good photo of that.
They own Maples and Maple West. Good check.
What is it?
Coffee shop.
This train is for
Yeah.
Bangor. The next station is Bangor West.
My phone's overheating a bit.
Sure it is.
Yeah.
Maybe they're not anyway.
Yeah, hopefully this video continues recording because there were 2 stations left.
Just grab the rest of them first.
Oh, it's in here going on a downsized a little business in the road. Not far from the beach, so we'll walk over. It's actually, it's quite fast. It actually suits me. It's not over the top. Fortunately, 2 million acrobats. These just run the corners. These look really good. There you go. Which one? Or that one? Yeah, me. Oh, that's a good look. I used to know a past master or a past captain. Horse races. Yeah.
Apologies on it. We'll pick up.
It's a lot bigger.
Just a second.
Busy.
All right, yeah.
Yeah,
It's the weather.
It's amazing, isn't it? Because I actually came from Fort Rush,
Right.
the Northwest General, because I thought I'll pick today, being Friday, quiet day, because there's no racing day, but yesterday.
The next stop is Bangor West. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when
You
leaving the
won't probably have to see
train.
my day. You don't probably have to see my day.
Yeah. It's good to see it, but it does. But it was like they stand on the tube to London.
I know.
Stand on the tube.
Nuts. All right, cheers, guys.
Good luck. And the weather just helps it. I mean, I was in Port Rush there, going to Port Stewart. I left my son and his family, and
This train is for Bangor. The next
walking
station is
from the car outside
Bangor.
station was just It's like being in Spain.
Yeah, we're heading into our not last stop of the line, Bangor. Yep.
Oh, yeah. What's it say?
This has been quite a fun ride, but despite the heat though, the heat was quite bad, but
100 years. It's just a traditional.
I did enjoy it though.
It's the largest sporting event on the island.
Fun. It's just
200,000 people. 225,000.
And fancy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am enjoying it. I would enjoy more
Triangle.
the
You could port rice, port stew.
exactly, yeah.
That's the only big issue I have about it too.
Idiots go around on motorbikes. Well, personally, I wasn't because I'm not. I used to be more involved than I'm now. I don't go. I just go to the big ones when my son's involved. I've done for 50 years.
Yep.
And I just go to the
Yeah, some
specials.
feature functions disabled by temperature rise. Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. Used to be on the dealership shop in Hollywood. Yeah, I mean, so come to Hollywood motorcycles in years ago. Before your time, come on.
Hopefully the next year will be as we get all this up as long as this.
Are we getting on a different train coming back, or?
Yeah, I hope so.
No, it's just on this. Just one
The next stop is Bangor. Local bus services are available from this station.
Banger's not the worst place in the world. When they get the good spread sorted out again, and we can
I want to get the terminus announcement here.
I remember when it was good years ago. Something like that, well, we can. Where? It used to be. The car park.
I probably won't be recording the journey on the way back because I don't want my my phone, the battery to die out. But I probably will record going in the GVS. But
I don't think you need to do that.
Big deep plan. First and second student.
that's probably when I'll start.
In Bangor.
Titanic?
Something
Yeah.
for seaside thing in Bangor.
Plus, want to give time for my phone to cool down too from this.
Yeah, so this week, do this week.
We'll make some look at that because
It's just a couple of days, fun day, and lots of happening, right?
That's true.
It's like Bangor seaside. Had a couple of years. Lots of things which would be. There'll be a lot to see, a lot to do, which is good, actually. Especially with the weather permitting it. What?
Is there going to be a market?
Oh, the big one, yeah, you can be sure of that. Where there's good action, you can be sure there'll be grafters and hustlers.
What are we saying? You sound like a little train fan.
sure is.
Do you want a souvenir from the Grand Central?
Oh,
Oh wow! Thank you.
Oh, you're good. Thanks very much. Thank
Can you
you.
show it? Look what I just got.
Oh, you're a star.
Wow,
This train terminates
that's amazing.
Thank
you so much.
When leaving the train.
There you go.
Thank you for travelling.
Yep, that's it.